Modern concrete cracks in decades. So why are Roman structures still standing strong after 2,000 years? Walk through ancient Rome and you'll see something unsettling. Bridges, harbors, and domes built 2,000 years ago are still standing, while modern concrete often fails within decades. The secret isn't magic. It's Roman concrete. Unlike modern cement, Romans mixed volcanic ash, lime, seawater, and rock fragments. For centuries, historians assumed it was just luck, but modern science tells a deeper story. In 2023, materials scientists confirmed something astonishing. Roman concrete can heal its own cracks. When tiny fractures form, water seeps in and reacts with lime clasts, small white chunks left intentionally in the mix. This reaction creates new calcium minerals that seal the crack before it spreads. Modern concrete avoids these clasts. Romans embrace them. Even more shocking, Roman harbor structures grew stronger in seawater. Chemical reactions formed rare crystals like aluminum tobermarite, reinforcing the structure over time, something modern engineers still struggle to replicate at scale. The Pantheon's dome, the largest unreinforced concrete dome on Earth, has stood since 125 AD. No steel, no modern tools, just understanding materials at a level we are still rediscovering. This wasn't lost technology. It was forgotten wisdom. Romans didn't build for speed. They built for eternity. If this ancient engineering blew your mind, join the debate with Myth Verdict. Share your thoughts in the comments. Should modern cities relearn Roman building methods?